Hello, welcome to Mobile App Development from the pioneers of creative education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit provides ample opportunities for children to engage with the process of experimenting ideas with technology. The expertise provided through developing mobile apps using an integrated development environment (IDE) gives students the confidence to pursue a promising career in the futuristic world of digital and automation. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses material for prototype creation, hardware components, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms, a content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. The activities help children create models using a variety of materials provided in the toolkit. Design the app interface using software. Integrate electric and electronic components such as sensors, Arduino UNO or nano board, LED lights and motors into the created models and use programming for creating mobile apps that interact with the created models. The mobile app development activities enable the children to analyze the relationship between force and motion in daily life situations, construct working models, and explain how to operate them. Employ their critical thinking skills to understand a brief beyond the text. Describe their experiences with an understanding to organize thoughts. Take up small projects. Ask questions in different contexts and situations. Use software to design a mobile app. Use blocks programming to add functionality to the mobile app. Use Arduino programming to control electronic components. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.